We head on over to MCC. We're just having a look at a McLaren 720S that we've got in for specialist programming. The weather's horrific today, by the way. I forget where the... There it is.
Right, so mate.
How is it going?
It is going, mate. This is the first McLaren we've ever done. We've had it for a very long time. The customer has been very, very good to us to allow us to keep this vehicle for so long. However, we have now found 3 different points of mobilisation on this vehicle. Bearing in mind we started with nothing. We didn't even start with to be able to see the doors or anything. So this is why specialist program is the best thing possible here at Pandora. Is because look, we can make sure your car is secured no matter how long it takes us. We'll never back down from a challenge. That's the one thing I'll always say. We will never back down from a challenge to make sure your cars are secured.
How good is mine, by the way? Not even prompted that. I literally just walked over. He was in the middle of a phone call with his missus, and that's what's going on.
There we go. Don't say that. I should be working.
As you can see, another sunny morning here in Redditch. We are on the way to MCC now, as we spoke to you about earlier in the video, of getting something changed to the R8. So we're going to hop on the S5, shoot over there, and see what they've done. Yeah? Okie dokie then, let us go to MCC. This I have been waiting for I would say, well, we've had the R8 for about 3-4 years, so I've been waiting for about 2 years. I say, look, the first 2 years with the R8 was like, look, it's like with any car, you're sort of like, yeah, I'm loving it, I'm still liking it. You get to the end of the 2 years and you go, it could change, we could change something, we could do something to it. So this, I came across, well, I say I came across, Anthony came across this at SEMA last year, and there was a massive, massive stand with a load of this on, and I'm saying this because you're not going to know what it is until the end of the video. So yeah, I've been wanting to do something like this to the R8 for a very long time. It needs changing up. We finished off at Supercar Fest and had a couple of little ideas that we saw from there, and we went, right, let's action it, let's get it done. So, as I say, we're on the way to MCC now. They've had the vehicle for, I think it's been about 2 weeks. So, let's shoot to MCC and see what they've got in store. And look, there's more things coming this year for the R8, more things coming for other vehicles that we're having, and look, keep an eye on what we're doing this year.
Make the ground shake.
So we've now finally got down to MCC. We are going to show you the big reveal of the changes of the R8. Completely different. So you've seen what MCC have done to the R8, completely changed the look of it from just PPF. We have Russ here from MCC who's going to tell us a little bit more about what they've done.
Thank you. So we've taken this Kimura Grey R8 and we've installed Legend 12-year Prime matte PPF to the whole car. So everything that was gloss grey is now matte grey. We've installed Legend Prime Gloss PPF to most of the gloss carbon on the car to keep that protected, and then we've also installed tinted PPF to the headlights just to give it that new smoke look, but also protects them.
Awesome.
No worries.
So as I say, guys, look, car is now completely covered in PPF, making sure that there is going to be no damage to this vehicle when it is going to all the shows this year. If you are excited to see the R8, then look, watch out for more news about the shows that we are going to and attending, and see what other things we have in store.